Have you wondered how to insert or put subscribe button signal on your YouTube video? Or have you thought of learning how to use a green screen effect? If your answer to any of those questions is yes, then obviously this video is for you. Do stay tuned as we use the Capcut app for this process. If this video has added any value to you in any way, please kindly hit the subscribe button and on the notification bell so you won't have to miss any video editing content using your Android phone coming soon.